Hey everyone, looking for a good phone under 25,000 rupees? Well, you're in the right place. This month has some really solid options, and I'm only talking about phones you can actually buy right now, no coming soon stuff. Let's check them out. First up, the Vivo T4 5G. This phone has the biggest battery I've seen in this price range. You're looking at a 6.77-inch curved AMOLED display, the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3, and a massive 7300 mAh battery, plus 90-watt fast charging to top it off. If you hate carrying a power bank, this is the one. Now, if you want something different, check out the Nothing Phone 3A. It's all about clean design and clean software, no bloatware. You get a triple camera setup, including a 50-megapixel telephoto lens, which is rare at this price. It's great if you like simple, stylish phones that stand out from the crowd. Next is the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. This one feels premium. It's got that beautiful P-OLED curved display and the Dimensity 7400 chip. It runs Android 14 with Hello UI, which is very light and snappy. For under $25K, it's a solid deal. Okay, for the performance junkies, the OnePlus Nord CE5. This thing is a beast. MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Apex, an AnTuTu score of over 1.4 million. And they still managed to fit a 7100 mAh battery in here. It's easily the fastest phone on this list. Last but not least, the Redmi Note 15. It's the reliable all-arounder. Snapdragon 6 Gen 3, a crisp AMOLED display, and HyperOS. It's just a consistent, solid choice for daily use. So which one should you buy? Need the best battery? Go Vivo. Want the fastest phone? OnePlus is your winner. Premium look? The Moto Edge. Clean software? Nothing. Or just something reliable? Grab the Redmi. Let me know in the comments which one you're picking, and if this helped, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.